Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So yesterday, Microsoft announced that with Edge version 142, which is the latest release, as I've posted a couple of days ago, I'll leave that video linked for version 142, you can now save and sync passkeys across Windows devices using the Microsoft Password Manager. Now, just a quick recap as to what passkeys are all about in case you're unaware. Passkeys are basically alternative to passwords which use device-based authentication such as a fingerprint, facial recognition, or PIN. Passkeys are built on the FIDO2 standard and store a private key tied to a website while the site only keeps the public key. And in the event of a so-called data breach, accounts remain protected, which Microsoft says makes this a strong upgrade over traditional password-based logins. So that's just a brief overview as to what passkeys are all about in case you were unaware. Now, Microsoft says that with this update, signing in now becomes faster and there's no need to remember or type complex passwords. Just authenticate with your device. It also mentions that passkeys also sync securely via your Microsoft account, which ensures you can access them across multiple Windows devices. And your biometric information, Microsoft says, never leaves your device, and websites only receive cryptographic proof of your identity. Now, you can use passkeys in the latest version of Microsoft Edge on Windows. Microsoft says you can now store passkeys in the Microsoft Password Manager in Edge, starting in Edge 142. This is currently, Microsoft mentions, supported on Windows with planned future availability on additional platforms, so just take note of that. Now, Microsoft says that passkeys are stored in your Microsoft account and protected by a Microsoft Password Manager PIN, which you'll set up while creating passkeys for the very first time. Now, when you visit a site which supports passkeys, Microsoft says you'll be asked if you'd like to create a passkey in the Microsoft Password Manager. The created passkey then gets saved in Microsoft Password Manager and can be used to log into the specific website by simply performing your preferred way of device authentication, such as a fingerprint, facial recognition, or a PIN code. It's also mentioned that while syncing passkeys on subsequent devices, you'll be asked to verify yourself by providing the Microsoft Password Manager PIN that you created before to unlock your passkeys on the new device. So just take note of that as well. And as mentioned earlier, Microsoft says that this feature is gradually rolling out in Microsoft Edge 142, only on Windows for Microsoft account holders at this stage. And Microsoft says it's planning to expand availability to additional platforms in the coming days. So just making you aware of that if you are using Microsoft Edge. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.